AI agents are changing the game, and today I'll show you how to make real money using them. In just 2 minutes, let's dive in. What are AI agents? AI agents are like smart digital workers. They can schedule meetings, write content, do research, reply to emails, and even sell products automatically. 5 amazing ways to earn money with these agents. 1. Sell AI agent services. Set up AI agents using tools like AutoGPT, AgentGPT, or Taskade. Offer services like lead generation, customer support, or market research to small businesses and charge monthly fees. 2. Build micro startups. Create simple businesses that run on AI agents. For example, an AI resume writing service, an automated social media manager, or a chatbot answering questions for e-commerce stores. 3. Sell templates or tutorials. Not ready to offer services? No problem. Create and sell pre-built AI agent workflows, prompt guides, or mini courses teaching others how to use them on Gumroad or Udemy. 4. Automate and scale. Use AI agents to automate your freelancing, marketing, or dropshipping tasks. Less work for you, more clients, more money. It's like cloning your brain. AI agents can earn you passive income, full-time income, or even start your next business. Follow for more AI money-making tips.